Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a back to school bedroom refresh for my oldest daughter, Kinsley. We're starting by putting together a couple of bookshelves, and we're going to be rearranging all of the furniture in her bedroom, trying to find a solution to meet her current wants and needs in that space. She does have the smallest room in the house, so I feel like once a year we're completely changing it all around as she grows and matures and has different needs for her space. I'm just constantly trying to meet those needs. So this year that means getting her a couple of bookshelves, adding more display and storage options into her room, and rearranging everything that was already in there. Also, while I'm doing this, I'm going to be cleaning, decluttering, organizing, because no matter how much I'm adding into this space, you can't out organize a cluttered room. You know what I mean? So we're just going to be kind of hitting the reset button on her bedroom today and trying to start her off in the new school year on the right foot.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye. LA made you crazy.
So if you have ever met my daughter Kinsley, then you know she is an artist soul through and through. This girl, every single bone in her body is creative. She's just constantly making, doing, creating things, and I love it. It's one of my favorite parts about her, aside from the fact that she's also hilarious. She's so funny. She's a great conversationalist. She's stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. And that definitely starts from within for her. It's like inside and outside. She just is the most beautiful ever. But because of that, she has all of these art supplies. I just do my best to make sure that she has everything available to her so that when she does feel creative or inspired, she has whatever she needs to make whatever she wants. And I love that. I love doing that for her. I love seeing her do that for herself. But oh my goodness, it is so hard to keep all of those kinds of supplies organized. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just kind of going through, decluttering some things that are very obviously trash or used up, or that I know for certain she is not using anymore. She's kind of graduated from like lower level art supplies into more of like the mid range, just because the expensive ones are expensive. So as much as she's creating and as much as she's practicing, we have a lot of like mid-range things. So she loves things like the Prisma colored pencils and Faber-Castell brand, and also Mondo Llama from Target is fantastic if you are having a child that is creative like ours is and looking to be able to diversify their art tools without like spending an arm and a leg. But anyway, I'm just trying to get everything decluttered and organized for her and clear off as much space from her desk as possible, because that is one of her current needs, is that she's wanting more desk space.
What you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
These wipes by the Everspring brand are so good. I think they're like a natural, non-toxic, but they do such a good job of cleaning. So we leave some in Kinsley's drawer of her nightstand just because she uses them to wipe down her desk all the time. It gets very messy when she's doing like painting or charcoal or anything like that. So I feel totally comfortable letting her use them and using them in both of my kids' spaces. If you're looking for a really good cleaning wipe, I'll leave them linked down in the description box for you. This closet was the biggest reason why Kinsley was needing a bedroom refresh. She has this very large collection of Harry Potter Lego sets. She loves Harry Potter, she loves putting together Legos, and she loves collecting things. And she's at that age now where she has not only outgrown the closet display that she had, but she doesn't want it confined to the closet. She wants to bring that interest out and display it in her actual room space where she can see it and enjoy it all the time, and so can her friends. So I was more than happy to oblige that. That's why we got those bookshelves. We're using the top 3 shelves of them for displays of her Harry Potter Legos on both sides, and then the bottom 2 shelves are for art supplies and additional storage, and that meant that I could declutter and organize her closet and get it pretty cleared out for the first time ever.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture mind just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say,
this is the first time, probably since we've lived in this house, but definitely in years, that Kinsley's closet has been this cleared out, and she hasn't had some kind of shelving, storage, or dresser taking up her closet space. And so far, she is really loving being able to use it just as a regular closet and not having to use it to kind of expand her bedroom space available. But anyway, once I had decluttered through all of that and gotten it all situated for her, her displays were set up, we're just going to sweep and mop in here. And I have this Target brand Swiffer duster slash mop. We keep it in our linen closet so it's easy for the kids to grab, and I feel comfortable letting them use it. And we're just going to use that really quickly to sweep up and also mop all of her floor space and kind of finish up cleaning in here.
oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me.
So this is how Kinsley's bedroom turned out. She absolutely loves it, and it was exactly what she was wanting and needing for this season of life. I hope that you all enjoyed coming along on this transformation and that this motivated you to clean, declutter, organize, or do something nice for your kids. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.